Hey guys, welcome to Smartphone Fan. Today we will bring you the latest masterpiece from Vivo, X Fold. It is the newest product from Vivo and it is the first foldable device, foldable smartphone from Vivo. And today we will have very quick unboxing and review video of the X Fold. So first, let's check the box. First time get the box, it remind me the box of X Note, the big screen smartphone from Vivo as well. Actually, they have the same design. They just change the name, the model name here from X Note to X Fold. And also on this device, they use the camera that Vivo, the camera that's from Vivo and the sales. They work together and they support the camera part. So this is box, is pure design, and the quality of the material, the paper is good. It's pretty good. And today we have the blue one. The blue one, and the specification is 12 plus 512. It's the highest specification of this model. So next, let's unbox it and check what's inside the box. Okay, let's open it and put it aside. So after we open the box, we just find the smartphone in front of us, and also they have the very similar Java design inside the box. So after we take the Java out, we see three parts here, 1, 2, 3, and this part is the charger. Okay, it's 80-watt fast charger. Yeah, just the same like the X Note, but white. Okay, the white. The size is not big. Fast charging charger. Okay, dual. Special thing I want to mention is support dual Type C. So the charging speed will be amazing fast. Okay, next about the earphone. We provide a free cable earphone for this device. Okay. Next is about another small package inside the box. I think it's a warranty card and user manual. Yes. Okay. Also, they provide you a special card, the Vivo X Fold special card, black card. After you purchase this device, you will get some special rights like the special manager support you, and you can also have some free screen protector service. Also, they will, if you call them, they will come to your home and support you for the after service. Also provide some other special rights for the users, the X Fold users. Okay, here is the use manual and the warranty card. Here the SIM card, pin eject. So okay, this is the stuff inside this small package. So here after the small package we have a cable. Yes, it's a very good quality dual Type C cable, long cable. It's a very long cable, similar to the similar to the iQOO 8, iQOO 7, iQOO 9. Yes, they have the same cable. Yes. Okay, let's put it back. Check the smartphone later. Okay, so whoa, so hard. Okay, so this is the cable, and then okay, let's put it inside and check the smartphone. Okay, let's get the smartphone out and check the smartphone. So yeah, so finally we hand on the X Fold. We take out and now we get it on hand and check. This is the X Fold. Okay, first let's talk about the appearance. And this time we got the blue one, and the color is not, I think for the youngers, it's not too young, not too old, and I think in the middle one, I choose this color and I like it. And the material is not shining, not plastic, and not metal. It's just a leather, kind of leather material. When you put it in your hand, it feels very, very comfortable. Yes. Also, your fingerprint will not left in the cover here. Also, the shining Vivo logo, the print on the leather, very high-end design. Also, the camera one just similar to X Note, actually same design, just like the X Note, and the hinge is similar to the Huawei. And the screen, oh, totally full screen design, bedless. And also here gap, no gap. You find no gap here. So it's very high quality device. And when I check the appearance, I think I will say it's very Vivo device, Vivo high-end device. Okay, so after we have a very simple talk on the appearance, I will talk about the size. And the length of this device is 162, and the width is just 74, and the height is 14 to 15, yes, millimeters. So on my hand, I can use my one hand to control it. Not so big. Also, the weight is 310 grams, not so heavy. And after I open it, you can see here is a 8-inch big screen. So the appearance is very high-end appearance, and the size and the width not so not the width is not so heavy, and the size not so big. For the office man, I will say it's very good to use it. Okay, next let's go to the process part. So this time we also have the flagship certification on this device, the SD8 generation 1 processor, and it also have LPDDR5 and UFS 3.1, and also this one is a 12 plus 512 RAM and ROM, so it's very flagship specification on this device. No need to worry about the performance of this device. No matter you play games, you use it for work, or you use it to watch watch videos, or listen to music, or other need. No need to worry about it. It's about the processor. And then we will say about the screen one. This time the three main products from Vivo, X80, Note, and Fold, both of them have the very good screen. And so first, from the outside screen, it's a 6.53-inch screen, and it's a AMOLED E5 screen, and the summit, the peak brightness is 1200, and it also support 120 Hz refresh rate. That is amazing, because normally the smartphone, the inside phone, they will support 120 Hz refresh rate, but this time the outside one uses the very high quality and very high specification screen refresh rate. So the main advantage of this is when you change from this to this, no delay, and when you play games, when you close it, no delay. It's very good and useful. It's about our screen also. This one is have the very big big zone for your on the screen fingerprint. So next, go to the inside. So inside it's an 8-inch screen and also AMOLED and E5, but the brightness is just 100, much than the outside one. It's also LTPO and also it support on-screen fingerprint. The display screen display is 2160 plus no plus sorry 2160 and 1916. This is display resolution, very high resolution in such a big screen. It means when you watch games, when you play games, it gives you very good experience of this. And also the next is about the battery one. The battery on this device is 4600. Is support yes, support fast charging as well. Just now yes, the battery is big. It's 4600, and it also have a 80-watt fast charging, capable fast charging, and 50-watt wireless charging, and also it have 10-watt reverse wireless charging. For it means when you put your TWS here, it can charge your earphone through wireless technology. You know, it's such a big screen. If it's such a big screen, it will consume the battery very fast. Your battery will drive very fast. So the fast charging is very useful and potential for such a big screen device, especially for such a very high quality smartphone. It's very useful. Okay, the next, let's go to the Hinge. You see, they say they in the release conference they use a lot of words to say about the Hinge, because the Hinge is one of the best Hinge in the foldable device. They take a lot of time for them to develop this Hinge. If you passed 300 and 1000 times test, also is makes you can open and close it very smoothly and very good quality experience. When you open and fold it, it can stay in any place you want, will not rebounce like this. Very good experience. Also you support here, okay, here you can have different models when you use it, and this will make you to handle your work very easily. And no matter how many tasks you want to manage, it can contribute very easily. And also this is about the Hinge. The Hinge one is very different. No matter the hard one or the soft one, it's very different device from my appearance of view. And also next about the camera one. The camera design is just same to the X Note, the big screen device. Here's also the real quad cameras. Also one punch-out camera. For the real one, the real quad camera, the main one is 50 megapixel Samsung GM5, and the wide angle is 48 megapixel MX598, and also the portrait one 12 megapixel 2 times, and also the telephone, the long lens is 8 megapixel IS, is 5 times optical lens. Yes, so totally support. I can show you support Yes, it's about 60 times zoom. Okay, also two windows here, one big and one small. Same to the X Note. And for the front one, yes, for the front one is 16. Yes, 16 front camera. It can meet all of your selfie demands. Easily can cover your meet. So this is about the camera one. Also, this time, you know, they worked with those famous company, the optical lens and company brand. So they work together to bring you the best shooting and camera experience. So you can trust it. It will provide you a very decent, very high quality pictures, videos. When you worry about, also I've say, but to mention something other specification, I think I should mention it also have NFC and also independent hi-fi chips with music, also dual speaker, balanced design. It's also have infrared. Okay, the physical silence button. Yes, after we check the physical silence button, you know it's very useful when you are meeting or in some special occasions. We will say it also have infrared here, infrared remote control, and also the other thing I want to mention is the dual Type C charger. Let me show you. So let me show you here. Okay, so here you see the Type C dual Type C port here. So it means you can charge you can charge your smartphone, and also you can charge another device. So it's very useful. And this is the first time I saw a charger can have two Type C ports. It's very unique. I think very unique design from Vivo. So this is a very quick and very simple unboxing video from here, and I hope you like the video and I hope you like Vivo, because they really spend a lot of time before they release this product. It's not the first one, but I hope it's one of the best in 2022. And okay, thanks for watching, and let's stay tuned, waiting for more cool gadgets from here. Okay, thanks, bye bye.